the cars getting human. Baby, you said I was stupid to have your heart and never use it. Well, you can take it up with Cupid, but I'm all yours for now, and I can make it right somehow. I'm all yours for now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you what is in my carry-on bag for a short flight. And for a short flight, I mean about 3 to 4 hours. I did a pack and prep with me for a cruise, so if you have not seen that video, you can go ahead and check it out. I will have it linked in on the screen as well as down below. So I wanted to follow it up with what is in my carry-on, or like my carry-on essentials. For my flight, I'm actually using a backpack instead of a purse. I feel like if this will just be easier. I got it as a gift for Christmas, so I'll try to link in something that is really similar. It is this really beautiful shade of pink. It's almost like a neutral pink, and it is this pebbled material. In the back, we have the 2 straps as well as a piece where you can hold, which I really like. One thing that I really love is the fact that it has a zip. A lot of backpacks don't have a zip like that. It just has like a flap and maybe a drawstring, but I love having a zip because obviously you're traveling and you want to make sure all of your important documents like your passport, your cards, and anything else is safe from falling out, as well as safe from somebody taking it from inside of your backpack. And inside of it, it has a zipper pocket to the back as well as 2 pockets, which I think is really nice because we love a little space. The inside is also, there's a spotted Dalmatian print, which is one of my favorites. So I just really love this bag so much. I think it's so cute but so functional and a perfect carry-on for a small flight. Now let us get into what are some of my carry-on essentials. So I have this pink pouch that I actually am using from the Sol de Janeiro like travel jet set section. I would have shown it in one of my previous videos, but it had all of the Sol de Janeiro products inside, so I thought this was a perfect carry-on because it is clear, you can easily see into it. TSA would not be like what is inside of this bag. They can see clearly everything is inside of it, and then it has a lot of space. It looks small, but it has a lot of room to hold stuff, and it's pink. Did I mention that it's pink? And that is why I'm obsessed. It actually opens like this, so tons of space inside. One of the first things that I have is this Vaseline Healthy Hands and Stronger Nails cream. Obviously, it tends to get really cold on an airplane, and I don't like having dried hands at all, so I thought that this would be perfect. And of course, it is in a travel size. And I don't know if I've been sleeping on Vaseline, but I've been really loving Vaseline products recently. I feel like if they rebranded, reinvented, did something, but I've been loving. And this makes my hand feel really good. Sometimes I would keep it by my bedside and I would use it all the time. Next up, I have hand sanitizer. It is not the Touchland brand. Honestly, I was not going to pay so much for a hand sanitizer, so what I did was got like the container as a dupe and I just filled it up. I really do love the aesthetic of it, I can't lie, and I just love that it's clear and it was really easy to fill from a normal bottle of sanitizer. So you can probably do that if you want to have like that Touchland like vibe, but just less expensive, and you can refill it. I have the Cherryosa fragrance. This is number 68 from Sol de Janeiro. So this is one of the items that would have been in this carry-on pouch. This smells so good, you guys. Oh my goodness, I can't get enough of this. It truly smells so good. And it actually almost has that very similar scent to Baccarat Rouge, which is just wild because it's so inexpensive and it's so cute, pink again. I have some gum inside of here. This is great for freshening up when you eat on a plane or anything like that. And then I have 2 of these lip balms. I'm a lip balm junkie, right? I love having gloss on my lips. I love making my lips feel hydrated because I do tend to peel and bite my lips a lot. So I have this Vaseline lip balm. This is so good, so hydrating, and I'm just carrying this in case my lips get ultra dry. And then I have the Summer Fridays. This is the lip butter balm in vanilla, and this is how it looks. It's very neutral, so I love how all of my things were matching. So those are all of the items in this little pink pouch. I again love this pouch so much. Next up, I have a card holder, and this is a really pretty Kate Spade card holder that my best friend gave me. It has a zip on front, so again you can just have some cash inside here, and you have the card holder section to the back, so you can obviously have like your most important cards. It's really sleek. I love traveling with a card holder instead of a wallet. A wallet can be really bulky, and again, when I am in the different countries, I would want to have like my cards and my cash on me and fit in all of my purses, so having a card holder makes so much sense. I have a portable iPhone charger, which I showed you in one of my videos. This is from Amazon, and what I like, in case you haven't seen that video, is this little feature where it has a cover for your charger, and it actually has a little screen where you can plug in your phone to charge, and it gives you a percent, and you can actually use it so easily. So I'm carrying a portable charger in case of anything. See how easy it fits in, and then there it is. Your phone is just charging merrily on its way. You can use it, you can not be inconvenienced by the size or the bulk of it, which is why I got this and thought that this was a really good buy. I think it's on sale right now as well, so you can probably check this out. And they are different colors, so if you don't like pink, you can choose a different one. So right now my phone is 49%. So let's see how much it charges by the end of this video. Along with my portable charger, I am carrying my actual plug phone charger. And the cord is a 2-meter cord, which I highly always recommend, especially when you're traveling. You never know how far an outlet might be to a chair or where you are or anything like that. So I am definitely carrying this. Most likely I'm going to be buying food at the airport, but I wanted to also have a snack in case, and I love seaweed snacks. This is one of my favorite snacks. I'm not a snacker type of person. Anybody knows me will tell you that. So I love having the sea salt snack. It's a little bit salty, crunchy, every single thing that I would need in a perfect snack. And it gives me that potato chip vibe, which I love without being potato chips. So I have this, and this is just going to be tossed into my bag for a mid-flight snack. Then I have my Ray-Bans. These are just what I'm keeping in, so when I land or anything like that, I am having a day flight, so when I land I will be putting these on, and these are so cute. I love them. I barely ever wore them since I got it. This is how it looks. Do we love it? Do we love it? I love it. Ray-Bans are in, and of course I have my passport because that is an obvious essential that we need to have in life. And then I have a pen, and of course it's this pink cute little pen because of course you have to fill out forms and any little thing like that, and I prefer having my own pen instead of using everybody else's pen. The last thing that I would have in my bag is a book to read, and I'm really excited because my friend lent me this Ali Hazelwood book, I think, and it's called Love Theoretically, and I thought that this would be a perfect in-flight vacation book that I'll be taking with me. You guys, wait, let me check my phone before we go. My phone is now 53%, so we have a good bit of charge happening here right now, which I am all for, and obviously my phone will be in my bag. That goes without saying. So that is what is in my carry-on bag, my essentials for a short 3 to 4 hour flight. Let me know in the comments down below what are some of your essentials. Definitely thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more travel content like this, don't forget to also subscribe so you won't miss anything. You can also check out my previous video, which was my cruise prep and pack with me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.